You listen to it carefully. I am telling you what I know from experience. The day will come when you will experience it. My days are at an end. They're all over. My history in the human world is at an end. There's no more. I have finished the race. I can say with Paul, I have fought the good fight. I have finished the race. I have kept the faith. Henceforth, there is laid up for me the crown of righteousness. 2 Timothy 4:7. There's nothing else to do. All that he promised, I have been experiencing within myself, every bit of it. How would you know? Well, there are signs. Yet when it happens so suddenly and happens without warning. Yet there are signs that come to all of us. As we're moving towards the end, I can say to all of you here, you're all at the end.